Hi guys, welcome to part 3 of my 6-part wedding hairstyle series, where I show you guys 3 do-it-yourself bridal hairstyles and 3 bridesmaid hairstyles to complement the bride. If you haven't seen my previous 2 videos, I'll link them below. For today's video, I'm going to do a super pretty half-up braided hairstyle for a bride. Let's get started. I'm starting off by putting in my Luxury for Princess hair extensions in the color Frosted Blonde. I'll link those below. Then I'm going to brush my hair through with my favorite detangler brush as usual, which I'll also link below. I'm going to gather my hair in the center and tie it with a clear elastic. And then I'm going to pull on the hair a little to add a bit of volume. Then I'm going to take a section of hair from the left side and I'm going to start braiding it. I'm going to start with a French braid and then I'm going to finish it off with a 3-strand braid and tie it with a clear elastic. Once I finish the braid, I'm going to gently pull out pieces just to give it volume. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. Next, I'm going to take the 2 braids and tie them together with another clear elastic. Once I do that, I'm going to remove the other elastics that I used for the braids. I'm going to twist it to make a loop and pull that first ponytail through. Next, I'm going to do a pull-through braid by gathering hair and split it in the middle, take that ponytail underneath, and then clip it up. I'm going to tie those 2 sections of hair with a clear elastic, then pull out pieces for volume. I'm going to keep repeating these steps all the way down. Once I'm done, I'm just going to do a final check to make sure it's even and voluminous. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that it was helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!